Hello, I'm Avni Bhatt. This is Chai Vai, your cutting chai-sized guide to industry buzzwords, what they are and why they matter.
Today's topic is chain of thought prompting. Imagine that you are looking for direction for a specific destination on your GPS system and you might make multiple stops along the way. For example, you will first go to grocery store, then dry cleaners before heading towards your home. In this case, will you just enter your home address into GPS system? Of course not. You will add all the stop details and then GPS will give you step-by-step directions in return. That's exactly how AI chain of thought prompting works. Let's see in details. So what is chain of thought prompting? It is a prompt engineering technique that you use when you need AI to solve complex multi-step problems like analysis, calculations, or reasoning tasks. Instead of asking one big question and hoping for the right answer, you break it down into sequence of smaller steps. This helps AI to show its work so you can verify the logic, reduce the error because each step is processed separately, and handle complexity by breaking big problems into manageable pieces. Let me show you why this matters in business with a real example. Imagine a scenario when you need to get a sales forecast analysis. You might enter a simple prompt assuming that your input Excel has all the data points needed, so AI should be magical and smart enough to read your mind. So you just prompt, analyze our Q4 sales data and tell me if we will hit our target. An AI response might be something vague and not even close to what you need, as AI doesn't know which metrics you want to focus on. With chain of thought prompt, you give very specific sequence and instruction. You will give prompt something similar to, let's analyze our Q4 sales forecast step by step and then divide your process into 4 very distinct and specific steps. This gives AI better visibility on what you are exactly looking for. So you will get a very detailed response, something like this, and you will get a final recommendation on what it analyzed based on data you uploaded. You see the difference. With chain of thought, you get very transparent reasoning, actionable insights, verifiable logic, and you can make better decisions out of the output that you get because you understand the why behind the output and not just what is the output. So when do you use this technique? Some of the common use cases where this technique could be helpful are financial analysis and forecasting, root cause analysis, multi-step calculations, strategic decision making, or while comparing multiple options. You would normally skip it for when you want to ask some simple factual questions, when you are doing some creative writing, or you want just quick summaries. Here are 3 practical tips on how to force chain of thoughts pattern while prompting. Method number 1, the magic phrase. Just add let's think step by step or let's solve this step by step to your prompt. Method number 2, define the steps. Tell exactly what sequence to follow and then AI will do the rest. Method number 3, if you are not yourself sure about the steps, you can always ask for a breakdown like break this down into steps and then solve each one step by step. So that is chain of thought prompting for you. It's when you stop asking AI to jump to conclusion, you give it a route to follow just like GPS. That's it for today. See you in the next one.